Hi guys, welcome once again to this channel. My name is Lindsay Shans. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and joining the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I don't take you guys for granted. So welcome to my kitchen once again. So on our today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my caramel popcorns. Yes guys, it's so easy, it's so simple. So I want to take you through the process. This is something that you can make at home for your kids, for your guests, for anyone. When you have a movie date, you can make caramel popcorns and have them while watching a movie or catching up on a series. Okay, so without further ado or wasting much time, let's get started. So our ingredients are ready. So I have my popcorns here. I have oil, cooking oil, I have salt, and then I have sugar. Okay, so let's get in. Let me show you how I do it. So guys, first thing first, we are starting with popping the corns first. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I want to show you, maybe if you don't know how to do it, because we have people who don't know how popcorns are made. So that is what I'm doing right now. We are going to pop the corns, and then after that I am now going to show you the magic. Okay, so ensure that you subscribe, like, because we'll be doing a lot of recipes, and for you not to miss on any, kindly ensure that you subscribe, then you click on that bell. There is a bell somewhere here. Kindly click on that bell so that anytime I get to upload a video, you get notified. Okay, so now the first thing, I'm popping the corns. So let me just do that right away. So I go in with the oil, as you can see guys. So for your corns to pop like all of them, for your corns to pop all of them, ensure that you have a generous amount of oil. So mine is here, as you can see. So I have oil there. Then I'll be going in with salt. Okay guys, so after that guys, I'll just do that. And then now cover it, then let's wait for them to pop, and then let's go to our next step guys. Okay, sawa sawa. Mama. One hack that I do is I keep tilting for air to come in, and then I cover the lid again. So I do that frequently. Okay, so the corn. So there we go, guys. Our corns have popped, and you can see how they've really done so good, because as I told you earlier, ensure that you give them a generous amount of oil for them to just pop. Okay, for them to pop all of them, because as you can see, we have all the corns pop. Okay, so now after this, give it time a little bit to just cool, and then let's get to our next step now, to make them caramel. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys are seeing me. Let me just push that behind a little bit. Yeah, so now the next step is that we are going to transfer our popcorns into something else. So I'm going to put them here, and then now we move on to the next step. Okay, so you can see they popped, like all of them. We have nothing left, you can see. Yeah. So we have our popcorns here. Okay, so let's move into the next step. So guys, I have washed this same sufuria. So now we are going in with sugar. Okay, generous amount as well of sugar. Sawa. Yes, so we are melting this sugar. Okay, we are going to melt the sugar. Melting, and it has started melting. Let me just show you. Yeah, there. So as you can see, sugar has started melting. So that is what we are doing. So we melt all the sugar. So sugar is melting, guys, so well, quite well. Can you see? I do this to ensure all the sugars have melted. Let me show you. You can see, guys. So sorry. So you can see how we've melted the sugar. Okay, beautiful, right? So guys, once the sugar is melted, take your, what do you call it? Take your popcorns and give them in. Okay, let me show you. And then turn them. Okay, guys, and you can see already we have our caramel popcorns there. Okay, so do this. You can see just turn and then you take them off. So that, just do that and then you take them off the nino so that they can cool. Okay, so take them off the syrup. So I'm going to be placing them somewhere here. They are so sticky. They become sticky. So remove them like that. So guys, you've seen, so now we are trying to remove them. Like that. So if you want to do many of them, put another so if you want to do so many of them, you can see how they already look, right? So good. So right now they're still so sticky and hot. Hot. So guys, that's it. You've seen how simple that turned out, and voila, we have our caramel popcorns. Very beautiful, very simple. You can see for yourselves how beautiful they turned out. This is so good, guys. This is so good. So leave them to cool. Yeah, they now need to cool because sugar is so sticky and it really gets hot. So if you eat it hot, it can really burn you so bad. So just give it time to cool. This is so good, guys. This is so good. Make it for your kids, your guests. When you have a movie date, caramel popcorns. Very nice, very cutesy, very yummy. They turned out so good, guys. You can see they look so good. Okay, so that is what I made for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing, because I'll be doing a lot of recipes. And if you think these turned out so well, kindly give me a like on the like button. Yeah. So guys, do you want to taste? Yeah. Do you want to taste? But wait, it's hot. So guys, E. So guys, that is what we made. If you liked it, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Yes. So thank you so much for watching. Let's hook up on another video.